Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I found something really weird. This is another website that gives you listings of frequencies, broadcast stations, and it gives AM, FM, shortwave, longwave, and the website is fmscan.org, all lowercase. And it has a main page, which I've already gone down in several layers, and I've struggled to get to this screen I'm showing you, so that's why I'm starting here. And this gives you, you can put in your location, and you can say, okay, show me either FM or AM or any other frequency stations near that location. And you can use any location in the world. I used my location. And I wanted to find out what stations, AM stations, are near me within a couple of miles. So it gave me this results. And what I don't understand what the heck it is look at this entry here. It's on frequency 940. The program is called WPTI 814. And here's the location, which is about a mile from me, as it says right there. But it's only 0.01. And I think this is kilowatts. Not sure. I think this is kilowatts. So if you go down here, here's another entry. This one's 5 miles from here. There's another one, 6 miles. And there's about a half a dozen. There's another one, 6 miles. And I tuned to 940, and I didn't get anything. I didn't hear anything. And I tried it a couple of different times during the day. I didn't hear anything. So I don't know what these are. I just don't understand what these are. And over here, I think it's either this one or this one will tell you about the station. I think it says I for information. Let's click it and find out. Okay, here it is, 940, and it picked that particular one, and so there's just more detail. So that's not what I wanted. So how do I go back? Okay, I'm back. So let's try the arrow under stream. Click that. No streams found. So there's no streams either. So let's go back. So I'm asking for an input. What are these super low powered FM stations, and why are they all over the place? Now if I go to, I'm going to click on this one here, and there it shows a map where it is. And I did this earlier, and it gave me all of them, and they're just all spread out through Pinellas County. And this one is indeed not far from me, but I don't hear anything. So I don't know if they don't transmit all the time, and what the heck are they? Why these low-powered stations? And there's a half a dozen in Pinellas County with the same name. There's another one, 16 miles. I think there's one more, maybe not. But if you have any clue what these low-powered, medium wave, or AM stations are, please let us know. I don't know what they are. And the prefix here, WPTI, I did search on the internet for that, and it is a general radio station. I don't remember. I've got so many things open here. I don't remember where it is. But anyway, that's my question. What the heck are these little stations? These super low powered stations. What are they? And why can't I hear them? That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.